So here is the reality check. In an enterprise environment, we're taught from day one that select is a cardinal sin. It's messy. It pulls in sensitive PII like emails or hashes, and honestly, it just clutters your results with unnecessary metadata that, well, it just doesn't belong on your screen. But here is the dilemma we all face, manually typing out 50 or 60 columns just to hide 5 or rename one. That is a maintenance nightmare. If the underlying schema changes tomorrow, and let's be real, it will, your manual code is now a liability. It's hard to read, and even harder to scale. Check out Snowflake's Wildcard Evolution. Instead of the old way, we use SELECT EXCLUDE to instantly strip out the PII and the metadata bloat. See that? You keep the security risk or the overhead. It is, honestly, a lifesaver for landing tables and staging layers. And what about those cryptic legacy column names from the source system? Don't waste your time rewriting the entire query block. Just use the rename parameter to fix them on the fly. It's clean, it's stable, and it keeps your downstream pipelines readable for the rest of the team. That is how you actually order the chaos in Snowflake. If you're tired of the manual grind and want to build faster, hit subscribe. We're dropping more shortcuts like this to save your dev time. Let's get to work.